Good morning. It's Monday, Memorial Day, May 27th, 2024. I'm meteorologist KJ Allen here in the Georgia WeatherNet 24-hour Storm Center with our morning update as we focus on the severe weather moving into northwest Georgia. We see these thunderstorms moved in just a few hours ago, continuing to track toward the east and southeast, heading toward metro Atlanta. So we're going to time all that out for you. First of all, some good news. We had a tornado watch for 5 counties in northwest Georgia, and that was just canceled a few minutes ago. That was supposed to go until 9 o'clock this morning, but that has been canceled. But still going to watch out for a few of these storms to go strong to severe. You can see as the time we're taping this at 5:55 in the morning, we have a severe thunderstorm warning out for parts of Floyd County. So we're going to see a few more of those warnings probably pop up over the next several hours. This line continues to move down toward the southeast. Let's take a look at our temperatures, give you an idea of how the atmosphere is ready for these storms. Low to mid 70s across the state, and the dew point readings very close to that as well. So very humid, very saturated air. If you step outside this morning, if you're ahead of those thunderstorms, you're going to notice how warm and humid it is out there. It feels very tropical, so that is going to help fuel those storms as we continue through the day today. Level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk for metro Atlanta, LaGrange, Columbus to Albany, over to Savannah and Augusta. So most of the state in that level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk. We're going to see the storms start to run out of some steam as they continue through the day today. So level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for extreme southwest Georgia, and the storms again passing through northwest Georgia. So we're going to keep that area clear as well of the level 2 out of 5 risk, at least as we move through the day today. All right, let's go ahead and load up the weather model here, and I'll show you what's going on in terms of what the weather radar should look like as we move through the day today. So we'll just start at 7 a.m. We see these thunderstorms continue to move into northwest Georgia. By 8 into the north metro Atlanta communities, from Carrollton up into the north Georgia mountains, getting closer to 9. Right over Atlanta by about 10 o'clock this morning, and we continue to push this line south of I-85. Again, our tornado parameters drop off significantly south and east of I-85, but still looking at some instability there, especially in the northeast segment of this line. We see by about 12:30 today, thunderstorms around Augusta up to Athens. Then you move to the southwest corner down toward Macon and Columbus, just more scattered showers, but we're looking at another cluster of thunderstorms moving in that will take care of southwest Georgia a little bit later on this afternoon, and we'll see that. You see it starting to develop just above Dothan, so that's going to sort of connect to that frontal boundary that's cutting through the middle of the state by about 3 o'clock this afternoon. So Macon heads up around 4 p.m., still looking at thunderstorms up around Covington and Athens, and then the thunderstorms moving into southwest Georgia around Blakely at about 5 o'clock this afternoon. This is going to be fairly spread out. We're still going to see a few strong thunderstorms in there. A few could go severe as well, but really watching that cluster of storms just south of Augusta. Looks like around Jefferson County, Wadley and Rennes, and then moving into Burke County by about 7 o'clock this evening, around Statesboro later on this evening as well. You can kind of connect that line from around Cairo and South Georgia, just above Valdosta up through Douglas and Statesboro by 9 o'clock. Heading into Savannah, starting to cross I-95 by about 10 o'clock tonight. And we just continue on forward and move this out of here after midnight. So by 1 a.m., we'll have some leftover showers on the backside of the system, but the main line, that main squall line, should be out of here by about midnight tonight. So we'll just stay weather aware through the day today. Again, just watching the different segments. We're going to see the bulk of the severe weather in the early afternoon hours up toward Athens to Augusta, and then we'll watch another cluster of thunderstorms in the southwest Georgia as we move into the mid-afternoon and late afternoon hours today as well. So we're going to stay right here and keep you up to date throughout the day. Just make sure you have a way to get those real-time weather alerts with a NOAA weather radio. Have those WEA alerts turned on your smartphone as well, so you can keep you and your family safe and ahead of the storm. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.